Hello dear children, I am making this video to help you understand how to make patterns with blocks and what is 1/4 turn, then half a turn, then 3/4 turn, 1/6 turn, 1/3 turn. Let us try to understand. First I have taken half a turn. Half a turn means 360 degrees divided by 2. Half a turn will be equal to 180 degrees. So if we start from here till here to here, it is half a turn, and again from here to here it is one another half, which completes one full circle. Now let us use this block. We have a block here with a fish shape here. Okay, let us try to use it and make a pattern by giving this block half a turn each time. Okay, see, we have to take some color, or if you have ink you can use that. You have to dip the block like this neatly and see that all the parts of the block are dipped properly. Now use the block and see here. If I put a print here, see, after giving half a turn to that, now this is the block. I have given the print. Now I am turning it. See, I am giving it half a turn, and one more print if I give, will both are same? No. One fish is moving upwards and one is downwards. That means this is called as half a turn. Now again if I give this half a turn, it will come back to the first position what we have done. So what is the thing we will get when we give this kind of turn? It will be one up, one down, isn't it? One up and one down, one up and one down. That means every time we are giving this block half a turn, and you can see a beautiful pattern here. Isn't it beautiful, children? So whenever such pattern you see, you should be able to understand that here the block is given half a turn. It can even be given like this. See, if I print it in this way, after giving half a turn, what will happen? It will come like this. So one left, one right, one left, one right. That is also half a turn, isn't it? Like this the pattern will come. One left, one right side. Okay. Now children, let us try to understand what is 1/4 turn. 1/4 turn is equal to 360 degrees. We have to divide into 4 equal parts. Here one part will be equal to 90 degrees. So 1/4 turn is equal to 90 degrees. Here I have another block. This block I have made using the shoe sole. Here something like symbol S I have cut and I have put it on this. Now I can use it like a stamp. Okay, let us try to make some pattern by giving it 1/4 turn. How it looks. First we have to dip it in paint and we have to print it. So after, see, once I have done this, I am slightly giving it 90-degree turn and again printing it. So it is coming like this. See, S shape, it will look like this, and again after giving half a turn it will look the same, because you know S looks the same after giving half a turn, then one more quarter turn and then to the final position. Now let's try to make a pattern on this. See, I'll make here. So when I give it 1/4 turn, it will be like this. Okay, and some of you were asking about what is 3/4 turn. 3/4 turn is nothing but, we know 1/4 is equal to 90 degrees. So 3/4 will be equal to 270 degrees. Suppose if we start from here, the next thing will be this shape. See, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So let us try to make, this is the starting from here. So after giving this block, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Now this will come after 3/4 turn. Now this shape we have to give again 3/4 turn. So 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So this will be the next thing. Okay, here it will not be same all the time. So again 1, 2, 3. Again this kind of thing. As I am using this S shape, it is coming one up, one right, one up, one right. It will not be the same when I use some other block. Okay, now I will use this fish block and show you 3/4. Then you will understand better. Okay. So here I will start. Okay. After this, I have to give a 3/4 turn. So 1, 2, 3. See here, 1, 2, 3. So now it will come like this. Okay. Now let's try to make the pattern. First I gave this shape, then after giving 3/4 turn, I got this. Now from here I have to give 3/4 turn. So it will be like this. 1, 2, 3. Now it will come something like this. Okay. Again from here I have to give 3/4. 1, 2, 3. So how it will be? 1, 2, 3. Did you understand? It goes on like this. Okay. Now let us try to understand what is 1/8 turn. 1/8 turn is nothing but 360 degrees. We have to divide into 8 equal parts, and each part will be 45 degrees. So 45, when we start from here, this is the 1/8 turn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times it will be turned. Each time it will be 45 degree turn. Now let us see. So this is 1, then it will look like this, then it will look like this. Okay, it will be exactly in between the 90 degrees, because 45 is half of 90. Then back to the position. So this kind of pattern is called as 45 degree turn. Okay, see here, when I start like this, then I have to tilt little bit, then like this, then again like this, then 90 degree turn, again a slant thing, this one. Okay, now this one, and then this one, and back to the normal. See how beautifully the pattern is coming, isn't it? Each time I am giving 45 degree turn to this block. Okay, this is called as 1/8 turn. Now let us try to understand what is 1/3 turn. 1/3 turn means 360 degrees divided into 3 equal parts, and one part will be equal to 120 degrees. See, this is 120 degrees, this part is also 120 degrees, and this part is also 120 degrees. Now I'll try to use this plastic block. Okay, I'll dip it in the paint and I'll try to show you what is 1/3 turn. So when the first print will be here, then I have to give it a 1/3 turn like this, and then it will look like this. So it looks like the blade of a fan, isn't it? This is called as 1/3 turn. Okay. Now let us try to make a pattern by giving this block 1/3 turn. So when I start here, the next thing will be something like this, and then like this. Okay, it will go on like this. Again it will be back to the normal position, and again I have to go on giving it 1/3 turn. Okay, I am trying to use different blocks to make you understand that in blocks also there are so many kinds. You can have wooden blocks, plastic blocks, then some things that you can make on your own. So many kinds of blocks will be there. Now let us see what is a 1/6 turn. 1/6 turn is nothing but, we know that a full circle is 360 degrees, that is divided into 6 equal parts, and each part will be equal to 60 degrees. This is called as 1/6 turn. Okay, suppose if we start the first print here, then we have to give this block a 60-degree turn. So 6 times it will move to complete one full rotation. Okay, this is nothing but 1/6 turn. Okay, and each time 60 degrees we have to move. So I hope you have understood, children. And see, even children, there are so many kinds of blocks that I have. These are made out of shoe soles. See, DMS it is written. It is done by previous batch. Using the shoe sole they have made. So it will come something like this. They have tried it out. Okay, this I have made. This also is done by using shoe sole. You can use even some sponge or some plastic blocks. Some of your toys you can use as blocks. See, even this plastic block you can use, or some wooden blocks, and even the plastic thing you can use. See, this kind of blocks. Even our woodwork sir has made some of the blocks for you. Like these blocks I can use for printing. Let me show you. See, I can dip this in paint and I can print for you. So you can also use any kind of blocks. Okay. He has also made this kind of blocks. It is not complete. He has to still do some work. After it is complete, I'll try to show you how to use this also. Even you can use some of the vegetables, and like lady's finger, you can cut it and make a beautiful pattern with that, following the rule whatever you have decided. And even leaf you can print. Even by using a leaf you can make a print. Okay, beautiful prints you can make, children.